Hi there, this is Jacqueline. Welcome back. And so I've been thinking about starting this new section in my YouTube channel called Study With Me. And in this section, I will begin with working on my Python again. I want to make sure I have a strong foundation so I would become more efficient in coding part of data science. And there are a few reasons why I like this book specifically. One is I really like this logic that the author actually mentioned in the very beginning of the book. The hard way is easier. So sometimes, working on the foundations, doing drills, are not necessarily the most interesting thing. But day in, day out, you build your foundation little bit by little bit. And you were surprised how far it can actually bring you. So, and speaking of the foundation, how much foundation am I talking about? For those that didn't have the environment set up, he even covered setting up your work environment in different operation systems, and good practice, the thinking process. Even cover like the commenting things, and of course some data structures, the fun stuff. And so it also covers designing and debugging, of course the looping, the testing, and some small projects. And basically almost like holding your hand and walk you through how he became a programmer. So that's what I really want to do, and I hope I can inspire some fellow data scientists or programmer alike. Let's work on this book, and it's actually not too thick, not too difficult to chew on. And so let's study together.